All right, it is 5:30. There are still widespread power outages across the state, but things are getting better. As of right now, Eversource reporting about 38,800 customers, another 900 from United Illuminating down by the shore. So just shy of 40,000 power customers are without. Compare that to earlier today when Eversource's number alone was at 52,000, and adding in UI, we were close to 60,000 without, about 4% of the customer base. That's not nothing. Glad you're with us here at 5:30. I'm Tim Lammers. Yeah, it's been a heck of a weather day, and we're tracking more than just outages right now. Reports of high wind knocking down branches and even trees have come in from multiple places, including Vernon. That's where we find Fox 61's Tim Lateau.
Powerful winds from the storm toppled trees and caused widespread power outages. This road in Vernon had to be closed due to a fallen limb and broken utility pole. Large limbs sheared right off their trunk blocked entire streets and caused power lines to sag with them. From Vernon to South Windsor, detours slowed travel. Eversource reported thousands of outages stretching to every corner of the state. The utility company says the ongoing harsh weather conditions hindered power restoration efforts. Crews are working around the clock to make repairs, and the company says additional support from outside the state is on the way. Eversource says a tree even fell on one of their trucks that was out making repairs. In Vernon, Tim Lateau, Fox 61.